Welcome to the top best. The best Ender 5 Plus Extruder is probably one of the most critical components for achieving flawless 3D prints, directly impacting filament flow, layer adhesion, and overall print quality, making a reliable and precise extruder upgrade essential for anyone looking to elevate their printing experience from inconsistent results to professional-grade creations with enhanced material compatibility and reduced common printing issues. Number 5. Creality 3D Printer Upgrade Kit. Experience significantly improved print quality and say goodbye to filament slipping. This component firmly grasps your filament, ensuring consistent extrusion even at high speeds or after retractions. It allows for faster printing by feeding more material into the hotend than standard plastic models. Utilize the highest quality PTFE tubing available for 3D printing. Its tight tolerances ensure filament is guided precisely to the hotend, minimizing errors. This tube also withstands high temperatures, making it ideal for various filaments like PLA, PETG, ABS, and nylon. Achieve longer-lasting bed levels with extra firm, high-performance springs that resist wear and compression. You'll level less often and enjoy more consistent prints. Additionally, essential pneumatic fittings are included for seamless replacement on your hotends. This kit comes with all the necessary screws and parts for a straightforward setup. It's designed to directly replace your existing fragile plastic extruder. You can quickly assemble it by following the included diagram. This upgrade kit isn't just for one model, it's compatible with a wide range of Creality 3D printers. Enhance performance across various models, including the CR10 series, Ender 3, Ender 5, Ender 6, and Ender 7. It's a versatile solution for many setups. What we like. This kit offers a comprehensive upgrade with an all-metal extruder, premium Capricorn tubing, and firm bed springs. Its all-metal extruder ensures consistent filament feeding, while the Capricorn tubing minimizes friction for smoother prints. If you are looking for a complete solution to improve overall print reliability and reduce maintenance, you should consider this all-in-one package. What people say. No positive product features or design details could be extracted as the provided source reviews were empty. Unable to provide specific points regarding product works or functions due to the lack of review content in the source. Number 4. Creality 8 Malawi and Kwacha's Aluminum Bowden Extruder Upgrade Kit. Enhance your 3D printing experience with this essential upgrade. It replaces your existing extruder for improved performance and reliability. This kit is designed for a wide range of Creality printers, including Ender 3, Ender 5, and CR10 series. It also works with most other 3D printers using a Bowden setup, without needing new stepper motors. Crafted from high-quality aluminum, this extruder is significantly more durable than standard plastic or 3D printed alternatives. You can count on it to perform reliably for years to come. Experience easier and smoother filament loading with this improved design. It helps prevent common issues like filament scraping or breaking during your prints. Its 40-tooth drive gear handles 1.75 mm filament, compatible with popular materials like PLA, ABS, wood, TPU, and PTG. Please note, some printer models may not require changing the extrusion screw. This DIY kit includes clear instructions, making the installation process straightforward. You'll have it set up and ready to print in no time. What we like. This upgrade is crafted from high-quality aluminum, promising exceptional durability and a longer lifespan than stock plastic extruders. It significantly simplifies filament loading, making your printing workflow smoother and more reliable. If you are seeking a robust, long-term replacement that's easy to install across many printer models, this is an excellent choice. What people say. No product reviews were provided in the source JSON. Unable to extract positive points as the source JSON is empty. Number 3. Micro Swiss Direct Drive Upgrade Kit for Creality Ender 5 Series. Transform your Creality Ender 5 Series printer with this essential upgrade. It's designed to enhance your 3D printing experience significantly. This kit is perfectly compatible with your Ender 5, Ender 5 Pro, or Ender 5 Plus. Installation is straightforward, ensuring a smooth transition. Experience superior filament control with its direct drive system. It ensures consistent and reliable extrusion for all your prints. It features a standard 0.4 mm orifice and supports 1.75 mm filament. This makes it ideal for a wide range of common printing materials. Proudly made in the USA by Micro Swiss, you can trust in its quality and durability. This ensures long-lasting performance for your printer. What we like. This kit provides a direct drive system, which dramatically enhances extrusion control and is ideal for printing flexible filaments with greater precision. Its made in USA quality ensures superior engineering and reliability. If you prioritize enhanced print quality, especially with challenging materials, and value American craftsmanship, you should consider this premium upgrade. What people say. No product reviews were provided in the source JSON. Therefore, I am unable to select any points as requested. Number 2. Friedman Dual Gear Extruder Upgrade. Enhance your 3D printing experience with this advanced extruder. It's designed to provide superior filament feeding and consistent performance for your projects. Featuring a double gear and double pneumatic joint structure, it delivers high extrusion force. This ensures smooth, strong feeding, preventing lost steps and improving print quality. Crafted from all-metal aluminum alloy, this high-quality dual-gear extruder is stable and durable. It uses brand-new imported aviation aluminum, processed by Japanese CNC for exceptional reliability. This upgrade is compatible with popular models like Ender 3, Ender 5 Pro Plus, and CR10 series. Please ensure your printer's motor shaft is over 20 mm for a perfect fit. You can easily install it yourself, transforming your printer's capabilities. Get ready for improved performance with minimal effort. Remember to calibrate E-steps to 139 and lubricate its gears before first use. For filament detectors, a small adjustment might be needed to match its height. What we like. Featuring a dual-gear extrusion structure, this upgrade delivers exceptionally high extrusion force for smooth and consistent filament feeding, preventing lost steps. Its all-metal aluminum alloy, processed by CNC, ensures outstanding stability and durability. If you frequently experience filament slipping or inconsistent extrusion and want a robust, high-performance feeder, this is a strong contender. What people say. No product reviews were provided in the source JSON. Therefore, no helpful points could be extracted for the Ender 5 Plus extruder. Number 1. Creality Ender 5 Plus Full Hotend Kit. This kit features an integrated structure for simple wire connection and one-step installation. Its all-metal case provides a frosted texture, making it firmer and more wear-resistant. It comes with an independently developed brass nozzle, featuring a bullet-shaped structure. This design ensures better uniform heating, reducing wire drawing and clogging issues. Equipped with a heating block, cooling block, and fan, it offers excellent temperature control. This ensures uniform and reliable printing results every time. Its newly upgraded throat tube boasts an ultra-thin 0.35 mm thickness. This design effectively reduces heat loss from the heating block and enhances the nozzle's working stability. It includes a high-quality Teflon tube for smooth filament feeding and reduced clogging. With rapid heating and precise temperature control up to 260 degrees Celsius, its upgraded interior design ensures seamless connection and prevents clogging during long prints. What we like. This is a fully integrated Hotend kit, offering one-step installation and a seamless upgrade experience. Its efficient heating and cooling system, combined with a delicate brass nozzle, ensures uniform temperature control and significantly reduces clogging. If you need a complete, reliable Hotend replacement that's easy to install and designed for consistent, clog-free printing, this kit is perfect. What people say. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.